Ecuador. As a nation of 14 million people, Ecuador is a country in the midst of social and economic transition, in which rural and urban poor alike have found new hope through an ever-expanding credit union network, thanks to the work of World Council of Credit Unions and its partners. With funding provided by the United States Agency for International Development, the Consultative Group to Assist the Poor, WOCCU supporters, and other partners, World Council has helped credit unions better serve their members. Many of these members were able to lift themselves from poverty, pay for their children's education, buy property, build homes, and start businesses, thanks to help from their Cooperativa de Ahorro y Crédito, their local credit unions. World Council has been managing technical assistance programs in Ecuador since the mid-1990s, guiding credit unions through a major crisis in the financial sector and working with them to emerge stronger than ever. During a recently completed 5-year program funded by USAID, World Council was able to link credit unions across the country through a national shared branching network designed to make more services available to even the most remote credit unions and their members. And now these services are accessible internationally. In November 2007, thanks to the combined efforts of the Credit Union Association of Colorado and Wyoming and its Service Corporation, Ecuadorian software company Multisoft, and U.S. technology provider Co-op Shared Branching, part of Co-op Financial Services, executives visiting from the U.S. conducted transactions from the teller windows at CoProgreso Credit Union in Quito, Ecuador's capital, on their personal credit union accounts in Colorado and New York. The transactions marked a monumental step forward in technological capabilities for credit unions not only in Ecuador, but worldwide. Now, Ecuadorian credit union members working in the U.S. can access their accounts back home through a credit union on the U.S. shared branching network. Despite a growing technological sophistication, providing access to affordable and safe financial services still creates the heartbeat and lifeline that connects Ecuadorian credit unions to their members.
Well, at the moment we are offering different kind of products, and those products have been growing with the community, with the demand of the community. As an example, we have been increasing our branches, we have been increasing also ATMs. Basically, most of our credit is right now into the microfinance. You cannot provide credit if you don't have savings.
By offering members the opportunity to save in conjunction with their borrowing activities, Ecuador's credit unions have helped individuals and families raise themselves out of poverty. Pilar Flores Vera, a member of CoProgreso Credit Union, lives in the tiny mountain village of San Jose de Minas and runs a small bakery, store, and video arcade. CoProgreso representative Maria Yvonne Cruz visits Mrs. Flores Vera weekly, making the 2-hour trip north from Quito by motorcycle to transact credit union business.
Me inicié sola con la panadería.
I began alone in the bakery, but I needed more money for the material. The loans helped me with my business. I bought an oven, then display cases, then an even bigger oven. At first, my business grew thanks to the loans. And as more money came in, I was able to save. The savings helped me educate my 7 children, and that was the most important part.
The group to which Mrs. Flores Vera belongs and which subsequently helped her build her business, accumulate her savings, and educate her children is part of the CREER Program. CREER is Spanish for the phrase, to believe. It's a program World Council introduced to Ecuador in 2002 with funding from CGAP. The women who join the groups often don't have access to accounts in financial institutions or the traditional forms of collateral they would need to obtain a loan. The solidarity guarantee that makes all group members responsible for each other's debts enables these women to access fairly priced loans and to begin saving in a regulated financial institution.
The CREER program has strengthened the credit union and allowed me as a woman to serve my gender. It's been really rewarding to be a woman at the helm of a financial institution with the ability to develop a financial product that empowers women.
One of the CREER groups supported by Cacpeco Credit Union is located in Quisinche along a dirt road. Meetings are held in the home adjoining a small shop owned by group member Piedad Rocha. Credit Union Representative Giovanni Cagano makes the long, arduous trek by motorcycle to educate the women and provide the funds that enable them to operate their micro-businesses.
I have visited these groups, and I could see that at first the women were very timid, very introverted, not wanting to participate. With time, they've become women who speak freely and confidently. They have begun organizing and participating in groups. They have become leaders of their communities.
In Ecuador's Amazon region, rural poverty and remoteness have become less of a hardship for residents, since World Council's efforts have helped strengthen credit unions there and connect them with other institutions around the country. Credit unions like CREER Program demonstrate the effectiveness of World Council's approach to institutional strengthening.
Working together with technicians, we've been able to put World Council's advice into practice. Financially, we've grown 500%, from $3.5 million in assets to $18 million. In the past, our members who traveled to Quito and other cities couldn't complete transactions and get the cash they needed. Now that we have a network, we have seen not only an increase in withdrawals, but also an increase in membership and in the number of savings accounts.
Like other credit unions in Ecuador, CREER Program reaches out to small business people, including women who sell produce in the city's market. The women save $1, $2, and $3 each day, handing it to credit union representatives who stop by their stalls. In Pastaza, the credit union is also reaching out to the next generation, in hopes that they will learn early the value of saving.
We know that domestic savings is the foundation for the development of the country. With youth savings, we're educating our future members, and they are the members we will need for the future of our credit union.
Whether making connections through technology, implementing new methodologies to reach the rural poor, or guiding credit unions through the steps to strengthen their operations and improve their image, World Council's work is, at its core, about helping people. The credit unions in Ecuador step forward with World Council to make that happen in a way that truly demonstrates the credit union difference. That's a difference critical to the lives of all members, both now and in the future.